Guys, I'm so excited to bring you now lesson 2 for accent. As I said, in French we have accent, so I'm bringing what we call accent grave. We talked about accent aigu, which was the first accent about in French. Now I'm bringing accent grave. And if we can just recap, go back to what we talked about in accent aigu, we said that accent is only found on E's. But now when you come to accent grave, you'll find that one now appearing into different letters. Let's see. Let me zoom this. So you can see accent grave appears on these three of them. So we say this accent aigu appears only on the E's. But now accent grave is on the E, A, and U. So you need to know that you will see this accent grave which is coming down like that, going down. We said accent aigu goes up. But now accent grave comes down. So you'll see them on the E, A, and U. Pronunciation there. Check. Let me bring that too close. You see, this one now is an open one. Similar to the, bed, bed. The E in bed, 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 somehow wide open. A. Like the A in father, So we have the U there. The sound is somehow rare, but it exists in a few words, like you see, like oo. You see the difference between the oo and how it works. So this, you can see this accent grave. If you go to the next page, it will be talking about, I don't know if you're able to see that clearly. Let me just zoom it that way, then explain. You see, the E, the E is used on the letter E to indicate a more open sound. That's why I said E. Often like the E in bed, like bear, which is father, and pair, a pair of things. You see, these two are pronounced the same, both with the open sound, like the air in English. So the R is used on R and does not affect pronunciation much, but distinguishes words that would otherwise be homophones. You see, like R and R, these two are homophones. When you are saying them, they sound alike or similar. R and R. So the first one, the R with the accent grave, it's a preposition in French. For those who might know French, you say j'habite à Nairobi, or je travaille à Nairobi, je suis à Paris. The R showing preposition must have that accent grave. On the other side, you'll find the R, which comes from a verb. You'll see it later for the beginners, which is avoir to have. So you'll find that this R, if it's a verb, you don't need to have the accent on it, because if you put that accent there, you're talking about the preposition. And in other words, if you also conjugate in this and say il a un stylo, he has a pen, and you go ahead and put that accent on that, and then you have the subject, then it will be wrong. So guys, just be careful. These accents are very, very crucial, because now they change the meaning. If you have the accent and you want to talk about the verb, then you change completely the meaning. So be careful. These are homophones. They sound the same, but they have different meaning. So be careful when you need to know when to put the R with an accent and when to avoid it, so as to be very clear. When you come to the U, it's rare and only used to differentiate certain words like U, which means where, and U, or. You see the same thing here. These two words, they have the same pronunciation, U and U. But when you're writing them, even when you're saying them, you need to know exactly what you want to say. Are you saying, où habites-tu? And then you put this one. So, where do you live? And then you put this one without the accent, then, grammatically that's wrong. So you need to be very careful to know this U with an accent grave there means where. And the other one means or. So when you are really talking about, when you are writing, or even when you are saying things, you need to know exactly, if you listen to someone using U, in the context of the sentence, this person is talking about which U. If it's a, you know exactly this person is talking about which a. Don't mix the two. So can we see some words carrying common words, carrying these accent grave? I want to zoom so that you can see it clearly. So check like this one. Père, which is father, in case you need this. Père, très. Remember we say don't say the S is not silent there. Très, père, très, crème, crème. The E's are not pronounced at the end of the word. With the A we have sha, a, and voila. Sha, a, voila. The U we have ou, souvenir, souvenir, vous. So you see guys, accent grave is that accent which comes down like this, goes down. Remember, accent aigu goes up. Accent grave comes down. So don't really, like now, très, you say the accent goes, no, you can't pronounce that word. If you put that accent aigu on the E, that word, it will be so hard to pronounce it because it's going up. You see, it's very easy now to say très because the accent is coming down. It's like you're coming to land. Crème, père, mère, voila. You see, you cannot put the accent aigu going up. You'll not be able to pronounce those words. It will be so difficult for you to pronounce those words. So be careful. You need to know when to put that accent and how to put it and the meaning. So guys, that's accent grave. I'll be bringing very soon accent circumflex, whereby we combine the two of them. We combine the accent aigu, then we mix it with accent grave. The two of them making something like a heart. That's what we call accent circumflex, coming very soon. Thank you very much, guys, and may God bless you.